Vocabulary, Unit 1, Lesson 3, Part 2. Listen and repeat the key vocabulary. Burn,
burn,
cough,
cough,
scrape,
scrape,
band-aid,
band-aid,
back,
back,
gloves,
gloves,
sprain,
sprain,
Extra vocabulary. Nosebleed.
nosebleed,
Open.
open,
Pinching.
pinching,
First aid kit.
first aid kit,
Butter.
butter,
Bag of ice.
bag of ice,
Joints.
joints,
Soap.
soap,
Kind.
kind,
important expressions and prepositions.
Hit him on the back. With your hand open. Be a kind friend. Through the mouth. Continue pinching the nose. For 5 to 10 minutes.
Look at the picture and tell us what it is.
gloves, first aid kit, butter, joints, soap, nosebleed.
You are excellent. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. Goodbye.